This is an image object from Ulead PhotoImpact. Ulead was bought by Corel. Corel Paint Shop Pro can usually still open these layered files. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's open it. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest UFO cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. A UFO file is associated with Ulead PhotoImpact, a raster and vector graphics editor. It stores image data, layers, effects, and other editing information specific to PhotoImpact projects. UFO files allow users to save their work in a non-destructive format, preserving the ability to modify individual elements later. It also relates to converters. UFO files are structured to accommodate the layered editing capabilities of Ulead PhotoImpact. The file format includes metadata about each layer, such as its position, blending mode, and applied effects. The format is proprietary to Ulead PhotoImpact and is not directly compatible with other image editing software without conversion. To maintain file fidelity, use Ulead Photo Express developed by Ulead Systems to open UFO. The raw visual data is present, but Windows lacks the necessary parser to display it correctly. Windows provides a shortcut to viewing, but not to editing. Design software is required. We are checking the software landscape. Right-click your UFO file and select Open With. If Ulead Photo Express is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We need to check every possibility. If you cannot access the UFO file, no problem. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential quick troubleshooting procedures. First, use PhotoImpact. Open the file using Corel Ulead PhotoImpact, the required application for the image. Next, use Photoshop. Open the file using Adobe Photoshop with the necessary plugin. Finally, convert to JPG-PNG. Use the software's export function to save the image as a universal format like .jpg or .png. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.